What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TT and I'm back with another video. Okay, so today's video I'm gonna give you guys just a little bit of a life update and what to expect moving forward. I'm not gonna talk long, but yeah, I just want to give you guys just a quick little life update on what's been going on with me, where I've been. Yeah, and by the way, happy new year. I know I'm late, it's like February though, so yeah, still happy new year. Okay, so yeah, before I get into this video, make sure you guys give a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay, so to give you guys just a little bit of an update, yeah, your girl is starting her own brand. Okay, I'm finna start my own business. So yeah, I want to just come on here and tell you guys that I will be launching soon. Okay, and I want to like show you guys like all my like materials that I got in the mail and what to expect. So yeah, let's get straight into this haul. All right, so the first item that I do have, I'm not gonna show my address, but I'm probably just gonna pull it out because I have like 100 of these. Are these little bitty bubble wrapper packages? So I got 100 of these, and yeah, this is for one of the items that I just recently got not too long ago, that I'm gonna be selling. So stay tuned. This first item that I'm dropping is an accessory, and it's actually for my girls, but anybody can buy it, kids, grown-ups, whoever. Child, if you like it and love it, support me. And yeah, I will give you that much of a hint, it is a hair accessory. All right, so first thing I did get was 100 of these like little small bubble wrappers, and let me show you guys the next thing I got. All right, the next thing I got was these fragile stickers. There are, I don't know if this is a 500 count. Yeah, this is a 500 count. So I got 500 of these, and this is what they look like. And they just say fragile because, yes, we don't need our packages being damaged, honey, when they get delivered. So your girl had to rack up on these. So got some of these as well. All right, so the next item I did buy, and all of these items that I got came from Amazon, by the way. So yeah, the next item that I got was my thermal roller labels, and I got a stand. It comes with it. Also, it comes with another stand for like smaller, like little label stickers if you want to do that. But yeah, I just really think this is really like convenient for what I need, and I like how it just rotates. So yeah, this is what that looks like, and you just clip it on and roll it. Very, very good investment right here. All right, y'all, so next I also got the bubble packaging, what do you call these, like packaging mailers is what I have. So I got 2 packs of these. Actually, they come in a 2-pack. I want to say this is, I can't remember, I think this was 100 as well. I think 100 comes in this as well. So yeah, and this is just what they look like. They also have extra bubble wrap in there, so I definitely want to make sure that when I do ship out my item that it's protected, it's not gonna get damaged. So definitely invest in some bubble mailers. Okay, it's gonna be your best friend, honey. Yes, yes, yes. All right, and last but not least is my actual label printer. And this is the one that I got. It's pink. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And that brand is Jaden's. So you don't have to use any like ink or anything. It's a thermal printer. So you don't have to buy anything, like no ink or anything. You just buy you some more labels if you need that. So yeah. And I just think this is so freaking cute. And less maintenance that I have to deal with. Also comes with the cords in here as well. And then also I invested and got a scale. This is a digital postal scale. So make sure that package that I'm sending off to you guys. So yeah, definitely invest in you a postal scale. And I don't feel like opening it, but you get my point. So yeah, those are literally everything that I need so far. Like I said, I'm super excited. I got my LLC, clock it. Okay, so your girl is getting everything in order. I'm super excited to finally start my business. And yeah, come on with me on this journey. I'm gonna do so much content, so be on the lookout. And like I said, I will be dropping all the information, all the social medias for you guys to follow, and be on the lookout for when I do drop my products. So stay tuned, because I got so many ideas that I want to bring to my brand, and I'm just super excited to be launching it finally, after years and years of just planning and designing and getting everything in order, finally coming to, you know, the light. Okay, so yeah, be on the lookout. Like I said, support your girl. Follow me at A Creative Ivy, but also I'm gonna drop the name real soon for you guys to follow all of my social medias for my brand. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this journey with you all. And all I'll ask in return is for you guys to just support and give me back feedback and everything. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye.